the products that make a difference. The health of my skin depends on this product. So when it comes to skincare routine, it can be a little bit tricky, but what I think is the most important is to have those products that are always there for you, that your healthy skin relies on, that you know you can trust. And these are my products. But my routine can change. There are products that come and go, but this routine is just the foundation to prevent my breakouts, hyperpigmentation, to reduce dark spots, to reduce redness, and to keep my skin glowing. First off, cleanser. I don't have any makeup on, so I will be just using the prebiotic cleanser because prebiotics are such a great way to balance the skin's microbiome. It helps to gently cleanse away all of the impurities of the day, but without stripping my skin and being really gentle, even on my sensitive skin. The one step that I never miss is the toner, because toner helps to balance the pH of your skin after the cleansing. This one is with Centella Asiatica, and if you didn't know, Centella Asiatica is just one of the best ingredients for your skin because it helps to do when it comes to Centella, it's easier to say what it doesn't do rather than what it does. It helps to reduce the redness and irritation. It helps to calm down your skin. It helps to brighten your skin, to improve collagen production. And it also has soothing and healing properties. Now, one of the most controversial products, because there are so many people that are just allergic to it, but my skin is in love with it. Now I'm using by CosRx. My skin and I would not be where we are right now without this. It helps to hydrate, to heal. It never irritates my skin. It never makes it too oily. It's like my skin and the snail I'm using are best friends for life. When it comes to doing anything to my skin, I love to use the multifunctional products, and I also like to target multiple concerns at once. Let's start with a little backstory. What you see right now is like 5% of what I used to have. And I also had really deep post-acne marks. I'm talking about scars. And one thing that you should know about scars is if you have one, you have to start treating it in the first 3 months, maximum 6 months, because otherwise it can have a permanent damage in the tissue and it will be just so much harder to reverse that. And these were like 4 months old, so I had to go to a specialist and do really deep chemical peels to remove the layer of my skin so that the new layer could form. And I don't even want to get into how much I spent doing that and going to my ST every 2 weeks. It was hard. Like, my skin did not look good even once throughout the whole treatment. And one thing I wish I knew about back then is the laser, at-home laser. This is the 1064 nanometer laser by DermRays. I have been using it for, I think, for the last 6 months. It has been the one thing that never changes in my routine. I use it about 3 times a week. First of all, painless, no downtime. She can improve post-acne marks, she can improve acne. The way it works, it has a specific wavelength and it has the ability to go deep into the skin. 2. First of all, kill the acne-causing bacteria. I'm talking about going to the root of all of my problems and treating it there. Not treating the symptom, which you already see on my face, but treating the root cause. And this one can do it. So it has the ability to go deep and to, first of all, break down the melanin. So most of us are told that we have to use certain skincare ingredients to brighten the post-acne marks. Which is right, but not nearly as effective and fast because you're treating it on the top layer of your skin. For example, niacinamide works on the surface and this works on the deeper layers of our skin at the root cause. The way the instructions say to use it is on dry skin, like just clean dry skin. I like to use it on some serum so that it just glides better. I'm turning on the power mode. The tip is already so cold and this is what makes it so painless. Turn it on and now we're ready to go. So basically what it does is it helps to promote the collagen production. It helps to break down the melanin in your skin. It helps to brighten your skin complexion, to even out the skin tone, to make sure that the redness goes away, to make sure that the acne is reduced. Like, if we are talking about the foundation of the skincare routine, this is my foundation. It's also safe for the eyes, so I don't have to use any protection. I think that you can at least hear it working. I hope you can. All it takes is like 2-3 minutes, 3 times a week, absolutely painless. And I truly believe that this device has eliminated all of my post-acne marks, because you can see that all I have are not the post-acne marks. These are the hypererythema, I believe it's called, and these are the pink marks. It's technically the damage in our skin, and our skin just needs to go through this process to heal. It's a natural process, but the red spots are clearing so much faster than the post-acne marks because those are deeper, darker, and harder to get rid of. And I don't have them because of this laser. I'm not sure if I said it, but this one is from DermRays. And honestly, if I had to choose one device to use for the rest of my life, this would be it. because it also can reduce wrinkles by promoting the collagen production. And collagen production also helps with the damaged tissue, which happens once we have a breakout and we have those deep scars. This is also why I do not have any scars left. These marks are not permanent, but scars are. Like literally, this device is such a multitasker, and I'm so happy that I found it and have the ability to improve my skin at home, painless, fast, and so easy. And once the treatment is done, all that's left is to use some moisturizer. This sleeping pack by Purita has been stayed in my barrier. It has squalane and panthenol, soothing, hydrating, skin protecting, skin healing. It's also packed with ceramides. But most importantly, I have been on the lookout for a good moisturizer for so long. And if you've been looking for it, you know that it's so hard to find the one that has no comedogenic ingredient, but is able to bring your skin back to life and make sure that it stays healthy and glowing. I still use more lightweight ones for the day, but this is for the night, especially for the winter. Like last winter, my skin did not look this good. And that was it. You know that I'm not the girl to tell you that you need to use 10 different products, because your skin also needs to breathe. So I used the prebiotic cleanser, I hydrated my skin with the toner, balanced the pH. I used the snail mucin to help to unclog some of the pores and to hydrate it. I used my laser, which is the game changer for me personally, and I hope that you can also try it and see the results for yourself. And then of course I followed with a moisturizer. You can find all of the products in the description below, especially the laser. The link and discount codes are in the description. I wish you all a good and healthy skin, and see you in my next video.